So this next topic is actually percentages. This will be exercise 21. So percentages you have done in previous classes. So it basically means what? It is for every 100 or out of every 100. It's actually another way of expressing a decimal or a fraction. So let's say in a test you get 3 out of 5. That means what? If I have to convert the marks to 100, that will be a percentage. That is a total marks if I have to convert. So like if out of 5 you get 3, out of 100, what will be the marks that you're going to get? So all I have to do is just multiply by 100. So it's going to be 60. Okay, so out of 100, if out of 3 you get 5, out of 100 you will get 60. Now let's look at a simple problem. After that I am going to actually go into some more details. Let's look at question number this will be exercise 22. 21 is too elementary. So 22, question number 2. In a sale, a jacket costing $40 is reduced by 20%. In a sale, a jacket costing 40% is reduced by 20%. What is the sale price? So the actual normal price is actually $40. Now they're saying that the price is reduced by 20%. So what is 20% of 40? So that is 8. So 20% of 40, this is a reduction. Due to sale, the price is a little bit less. So it is 20% less. So first we find 20% of 40. So that is 8. So the new price is going to be 40 minus 8. That is $32. Okay. Now you can look at it in another way. So 100%. So 100% actually we consider it to be the 40. The cost price or the basic price. Now, if the price is reduced by 20%, so basically the selling price, the price of that is the sale price or the selling price is actually what? So 100% is the cost price. So here since it's being reduced by 80%, so the selling price is going to be just 80%. That is 100 minus 20, 80% of 40. So that is 80 by 100 into 40, which is equal to 32. Okay. Let's say this will just shed some light on the previous problem and your upcoming problems also. Let's say price of a product is $X. Let's say the price has been increased by 20%. Okay. So the cost price, initial price, so that we actually consider it to be 100%. So let's say now the price has been increased by 20% from here. So this is 100%. From here the price has been increased by 20%. So what will be the increase in price? 20% of this. So 20 by 100 into x, which is actually equal to 0.2x. This is what? This is the increase in price. So the new price will be what? X plus 0.2x, which is equal to 1.2x. Okay. So this is the increase in price. So you add to the previous price to get the current price. Now you can look at it another way. So 100%. So you're increasing the price by 20%. So now the new price will be what? It will be 120% of the original price. Since you're increasing it by 20%, the new price will be 120% of x. That is 120 by 100 into x, which is basically 1.2x. Similar way, let's say you're actually decreasing the price. Let's say instead of 20% increase in price is actually 20% decrease. So it's going to be what? Then x minus 0.2x is going to be, which will be, so this is the decrease in price. So x minus 0.2x, this is the new price. Now you can look at it this way also. So 100%, this is x. So now the selling price will be 80% if it decreases by 20%. So 80% of x. So it will be actually 0.8 x.